Many students at the University of Twente and Saxion are looking for more than grades and exams. They want to push themselves and grow their skills in a hands-on setting. Solar Team drives sustainable innovation through challenging terrain. Green Team pushes the limits of hydrogen efficiency. Solar Boat turns heads while conquering the waters. Drone Team puts new exciting technology in the air. Robo Team programs the future of intelligent robots. Esports Team is our newest team. They merge gaming research and performance.
Twente is gewoon een van de beste teams in de competitie.
Ja. Electric Superbike sets shocking lap times with sustainable energy. Each team consists of 10 to 20 students. A team offers students the opportunity to dedicate 1 year to a project or work part-time alongside their study. The workplace is interdisciplinary. There's a specialist for everything from engineering and designing to marketing and management. The teams work not only to realize their ideas, but also put them to the test all over the world. Want to know more? Check us out on social media.